this is my little sister. And I am Aliza. I'm 5 years old. And today we are here on our mom's channel, Catch Up with Samira. And I will be showing you a simple hairstyle in my little sister's hair. I have always loved hairstyling since I was about her age. And I like trying out new hairstyles on my own. I like experimenting them in my hair, my sister's hair, and my cousin's hair, and even my mom's hair. So let's get started. The hairstyle I'm going to do in her hair today is a double French braid, and the twist is in reverse action. First, we have to divide her hair into 2 sections equal. Till the end, okay? And I will put a rubber band to the other side because I don't want any hair to get tangled. And now I will take the first section at the edge, right from there. Okay? I will divide this section into 3 parts equally. We usually do it like this. But in reverse, we will start like this. Remember one thing, if you're taking this strand, if you're starting with this strand, so on this side also, you have to start with the same strand from the edge. Now, we'll take the middle one and put it like that. You can hold it however you're comfortable. And like the normal braid, like the normal French braid, take and put it underneath the first one. And now the middle one is right here. I'll take that one, put it underneath now, move it because I don't want to get that tangled in this one. And take that strand into this one. Okay. I'll take it back. Tighten it up. And again, the corner strand will go in. Remove that. And take another one from here. And I'll just put it back. And now I will take that one in here. I'll just move that away and take a strand from there to there. Add it in the, then move it away and move it back in its place. Now I will take the corner strand again and take that hair, put it underneath. Take that back and I will continue it like that. I'll do the same thing this side. I'll take a bunch of hair and divide it into 3. Since we started with this strand on this side, we'll start with the same one. Put that strand underneath. If you're not comfortable with this one, just put it that way and add hair to this one. We'll take that back and do the same with that one. I'm not comfortable with this one, so I'll do it that way. And I'll add hair to this one. Take it back. And now this one is in the corner, so I'll do it underneath. Do it at the back. Put it away. And add hair to this one. And I'll take it back. Now I'll continue doing it like this. You know, actually when I was 5, I did not even know how to put braids. My elder sister was the first one who taught me how to put a simple braid. And now I'm here trying out new hairstyles. A big thanks to my elder sister. I'll continue doing it like this. Until she is doing that, I will watch in my tablet. Continue doing it into a simple reverse braid and just tie it with a rubber band. And just tie it with the rubber band. As you can see, my braid is done on the both sides, but my braid has come very thin. Just pull the strands a little bit. You can pull it how much you want. Done. So my braid is done, and as you can see, I have put the braids. I've completed the braids till the end. If you want, you can just braid it till here and put 2 ponytails, and you can also braid it till here and mix it and put 1 ponytail. It's your wish.